Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing this blue butterfly makeup look. Starting off with the structure of the butterfly, I'm just using the Maybelline Hyper Ink liquid liner, and it's normal to be shaky at first, so it's important to practice to get a steady hand. Then I'm just using concealer, so the eyeshadow that I'm gonna put is gonna pop more. Then using the iMagic Tiger palette, I'm just using the shade Calm and filling in the inside of the butterfly. Next, I'm just drawing in details. Using the shade Ocean, I'm just putting it on my lid. Using white face paint, I'm just drawing in a liner above my lid and just filling in the color inside. Then mixing these two blue shades, I'm just putting it on my waterline and then adding a black color to make it look darker. Then I'm putting on my false eyelashes, which is such a struggle to me. And then I'm just putting on additional details with white face paint. Then I'm overlining my lips with blue face paint. And then putting on powder to make it look matte and for it not to transfer. Now I'm gonna transition into a full face. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! So here is my makeup look under natural light. Hope you like it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!